Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your Shopify card icon. According to the Shopify community right here, that to edit your card icon you have to go and do this. So you have to go to your admin online store. So when you're in your homepage, you want to go to your online store right here and you want to click on these three dots. You want to actually edit the code right here. So from there, when you're editing the code, it's pretty simple. As it states right here, you have to find the icon card.liquid and icon card empty liquid files in the snippets folder. So you want to go right here and locate it in the snippets folder right here. So in the snippets folder, you want to find your icon card. So icon with text liquid is right here, but I cannot find the icon card. So I already edited this back in the day, so I'm not sure if it's really in order right now. So you can search it up right here, icon card dash liquid. So I think it's going to be one of these. And then all you have to do is replace the code with those files in your custom icon. So you will have to have a code or code of such so that it will work. So I suggest that you can use, let's see right here. You can use Pagefly Page Builder right here to get a icon customized right here. Just download it in your apps and we have a video accordingly how to do that, and we did use it in another video where we actually just went ahead and displayed a delivery date on your product page. So here you can use your Pagefly Builder so that you can build your cart icon like stated right here. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.